Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last video, we have seen what are the types of flow in Power Automate. In this video, we will see and create our first flow in Power Automate. So let's get started. So to create a flow in Power Automate, what we will have to do is go to the create option, or else if we are creating our flow using a template, we will have to click on templates. So the first flow that we will create is saving an attachment from my personal email ID to my personal OneDrive. That is what I want to create. So before we start creating a flow, let me go and show you my inbox. So you can see there is an Gmail account wherein I don't have a single email. This is a new temporary email ID I have created to show you how the flow works. So I do not have any email in my inbox as of now. Okay. So what I want to do is whenever there is an email in my inbox for this particular email ID, then it should go and save the attachment in my personal OneDrive. Okay. So that is what a flow I want to create. So let's see how we can do that. So let me go and find a template. Let me go down. Let me click on email first. Let me go and find here. Let me type as Gmail. Okay, so you see once I type Gmail, it is showing me save Gmail attachment to your personal OneDrive. Let me click on it. So it will open up a page wherein save Gmail attachment to your personal OneDrive. Now let us go and create some connection. I already have a connection created. I don't want this. Let me go and switch my account, add a new connection. Let me sign in. Okay, I have this email ID. Let me sign in with this email ID. Okay, now if you see, it is asking me to grant access to Power Platform. Now I'll just go and click on allow. So once I click on allow, what will happen is your connection between your Power Automate and to your email ID from where you want to save the attachment will be created. Okay. Now below, if you see, I already have a OneDrive connection set up. If I want to go and switch the account, I can do the same. I will just go and add on new connection. Okay. I already have an account, so I will just use the same account. If you want to add another account, I will just have to click on use another account. Sign in option, you will get the sign in option. Enter your email ID, click on next, enter your password, and your connection will be set with your personal OneDrive. Okay. For now, I will use the same OneDrive that I am already using. Okay. Now let me go and click on create flow. So once I click on create flow, it will take me to another page. Okay. Now you can see your flow is ready to go. It's turned on and will run when it is triggered. Okay. Now let me go and click on edit and show you what this flow is all about, how it looks like. Okay, so you see the name of the flow is save Gmail attachment to your personal OneDrive. It is saving now. Now you see, let me close this. Now this is when a new email arrives. If I just click on this, let me click on more advanced option. Now, whenever there will be an email that arrives in my inbox, it will go and see whether it has an attachment or not. Okay. If it is having the attachment, then what it will do is it will apply each attachment. Okay. Then it will create a file, like folder path will be the attachment where it is going to save. It is going to take the file name as an attachment and file content as an attachment content. Okay. So this is how your flow will work. This is a template that we are using. Now what we can do is just go and click on save. And if you want to test it, you can just click on test. Now this is running for the first time. So let us go and click manually and click on test. To see it work now, send a new email in your inbox. So let me go and send an email to my inbox and see whether this works or not. So now let me go and show you my email ID. So if I go and click on my inbox. So now there is only one email which has been sent by Google itself when we granted the access to Power Automate, but there is no attachment to it. Now let me send an email from another email ID with an attachment and see how it works. Let me refresh my Gmail account. Okay, now you see I have received a test email, okay, with an image as a attachment. Okay, now let me go and see about this trigger. Now you see there is a day and that has been run and it is showing as succeed. So 3 seconds ago it has run and trigger. Your flow is ready to go turn on and will run when it's triggered. Okay, so let me go to my OneDrive and see whether that email has been saved or not. Let me open a folder. Okay, if I go to this attachment and you see there is an attachment which has been saved here, which was sent on my email ID. Okay, now let us do one thing. Let us go and share another email to test it whether it runs or not successfully. So this is my first run and it has been successful. Now let us go and run it by using another attachment by sending an email. Let me go and send another email. So before I send an attachment, let me go and show you that OneDrive folder. So you see I just have one attachment here. Let me close this. I just have a one random attachment. Now let me send an email and you will see that the attachment will be saved here automatically. I don't have to do anything. It will automatically trigger the event and basis that event, it will save the attachment here. Let me close this. Let me send an email from my mobile phone. So you see I have a test email too. Okay. Now test email 2 is what I have received and then there is an image into it. Let me go to Power Automate. Let me click on edit flow. Let me click on test. Now previously we run it manually. Now what we will have to do is click on automatically. So whenever there will be an email, the most recent item in your Gmail account, it will trigger that. So let me click that and click on test. And what will happen here is it will test it. Now, whenever there will be a new email, it will go ahead and, save that attachment to your folder. Okay, so now let us close this. Let me go back to my flow. Okay, if I come down, now you can see that I have a flow which is successful. Let me go to the OneDrive. Let me go to the attachment folder. And you can see here, I have the attachment. Okay. So now what is happening here is automatically, whenever there will be a new email, it will trigger the flow and it will save the attachment in the attachment folder. Okay. Let me close this. So yes, that's all about in today's video. Hope you like this video. Please comment below and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.